In this video, I'll show you how to fade to black on Final Cut Pro. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing that I'd like you to do is to load up the project that you want to fade to black for. And I'd also like you to understand that there are two ways that you might want to fade to black. Now, if the fade to black is at the end of the video, now you can see this going here. At the end of the video is going to go to black, but what you want to do is you want to fade it out. You're going to go to the far end of the panel, the editing panel, where it says show or hide transition browser. You're going to click on that, and you're going to search for cross dissolve. Now we have cross dissolve here. What you're going to do is you're going to grab the cross dissolve transition to the end of the video, and you realize once you play the video, it's going to fade out to black. You might want to add the fade to the middle of the clip. So you might have two clips and you want to add the fade to the middle so it fades to black, then to your next clip. What you're going to do is you're going to choose the end of the clip that you want to add the fade to, or you choose the beginning, just like this. And once you choose one of them, you're going to come back to your transitions and you're going to search for fade. So it's up here, fade to color. You're going to click on it and you're going to drag it to where you want it to be. So let's say here. Now here, once you click on the transition, you realize under the inspection, you're gonna have the option to choose a color. By default, it's on black, but if you want a different color, you can choose it also. But you're gonna leave it at black to fade to black. And you realize once we play the video here, it's gonna fade to black. And you can also extend the transition. Let's extend this transition. Let's click on this. Let's open this up and let's extend this transition. So let's play it back, and it's gonna fade to black. And you can as well increase or decrease the fade here. Now that's how to fade to black on Final Cut Pro. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.